Noong rally noong November 30 sa Manila, merong tatlong naka-media outfit na naka-cover ang mukha na hinuli ng Philippine National Police. At hindi attack on the freedom of the press and the freedom of speech, but rather it is a violation of Ordinance number 9134 of the Manila City Government. Itong ordinance na ito, yung Anti-Balaklava Ordinance, no? It prohibits the wearing of helmets, face masks, balaklavas, caps, hoodies, and tinted visors in public areas or in commercial areas. Bagong-bago lang itong ordinance na ito. At first time na-test noong November 30. Yung ordinance was to deter criminal activities and assist law enforcement agencies in the prevention and investigation of crimes by regulating the use of motorcycle helmets and other face-concealing headgear in public. Pag ayaw mo, yun nga, huhulihin ka ng mga law enforcement agencies. Ang first offense, 1,000 peso fine, followed by a 3,000 peso fine for the second offense. And for the third and succeeding offenses, 5,000 pesos and imprisonment of 15 days, as well as cancellation of your driver's license. Meron namang mga exceptions, no? Riders in motion, pwede mong gamitin yan. Or drivers or passengers still on the motorcycle and temporarily stopped due to traffic lights and road signs or when hailed by traffic enforcers. Mga law enforcers who are on official duty, especially in emergency or hot pursuit operations, yan, exemption yan. Those with serious illness or comorbidities who are required to wear face mask. Those with religious exceptions, no, yung mga gumagamit ng turban or any headgear dahil part of their religious faith. And of course, ina-attack na yun itong constitutionality ng Balaklava Ordinance nito because they say it is a human right violation. But until the Supreme Court declares it null and void, pag napunta ka sa Manila ay huwag mong gamitin yung mga balaklavas mo.